Hi everyone, you are at the Whichchem YouTube channel. Today, as you have seen your thumbnail, we are going to check what is the criteria for the IIT Triple IT Hyderabad. Okay, so it got the good package because of the quality education they impart. So when to apply, where to apply, what is the requirement, and what the course they are going to offer, everything we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so before proceeding further, I want that everybody should subscribe this channel. Okay, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, and press bell icon so that you can get the relevant information in time, because if you are getting the information after the last date is over, or if you are not at all getting the information, then your career will be in the dark. Okay, many students are hardworking, they got the good knowledge about the subject, they wanted to be in the good place for the BTech. Okay, so here I am going to impart them, and for that what you have to do, subscribe and press bell icon, and it is free of cost. And you will spend lot of time on YouTube, but the time you spend at Whichcam channel is very worthwhile. Okay, so try to keep this video in all your family channels, because unknowingly it may be helpful to any one of them. This is the time where many of the students career is at question mark, where to admit, where I got less rank, because after some time they will realize, if I could know about this institute, I could know I could apply this institute, then it would be better. Okay, so first thing what you have to do, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and press bell icon and share it to all your family and colleagues and friends. If you are a student, please post it in your friends group, because lot of groups are there in the friends group. Instead of chit chatting and spending time, let them you should give them a good knowledge about the placements. Okay, so I am doing a series of the videos about the placements, counseling, if you get less rank, how to deal with it, and how to get the good subject knowledge about the chemistry, right from the state and board syllabus to IIT syllabus. I am covering in the chemistry. Okay, then before proceeding further, it's your responsibility to press the like button. Okay, three things are must at Whichchem channel. What are those things? Subscribing, pressing bell icon. Second thing, share it to your all friends, and third thing, pressing the like button. I hope all of you have already done. Shall we proceed? So now we are at the Triple IT Hyderabad website. Okay, so I am going to show you the actual situation. It is not that I am telling you something wrong. Okay, so this is the Triple IT website. Okay, now already you must have seen there is a lot of package. Okay, good package offered. Why? Because see, these many companies are coming for the campus recruitment. Adobe, Alpha Group, Amazon, you must be knowing, and one of the best company, uh, iPhone, also taking the recruitment from our IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so Deloitte, this is also one of the good company, and you will be surprised to see Google also coming to recruit their staff from here also. Okay, so lot of big companies. Deloitte is also one of the big companies. Samsung and Uber, Walmart, lot TCS. Okay, why they are all coming to this institute? Because they know that the quality education student undergo through the training, theoretical aspect. These are the highlights of the institute. Okay, so these are the best things. See, IIT R&D, research and development, is also very good. Okay, so because of this, these many companies are coming for the recruitment. Okay, so these are the hardware, same way bioinformatics, structural design, lot of companies are coming to recruit the students. Okay, now let us see the package. Okay, see, this is the highest package, 46 lakhs. It worth a lot. 46 lakhs means more than 3.5 lakhs per month. If you are getting more than 3.5 lakhs, that means it is going to create a wonders in your life. Okay, see, if you don't think that only average salary is very high, see, you can see the, sorry, highest salary is very high. Not only highest, it is average salary also 21 lakhs, that means nearly 2 lakhs per month. Okay, so with this you may not, you can understand the quality of education. Once your education is quality, then your living standard also going to be very quality. Okay, so now your mindset is okay for getting the admission into the triple IT Hyderabad, because what is happening at the triple IT Hyderabad I have shown you. Okay, what is offering they are going to, and what you should apply, that I am going to start. Okay, for that, it is not the website, every website link I will be giving in the description again, and I am saying you should you should give the like to this video. Okay, just wait, I will tell you. Okay, now you are at the admissions website. Okay, see, these are the courses they are offering: undergraduate UG, undergraduate entrance examination for dual degree. There are dual degree means apart from the BTech, they will give you from the master's degree also. Okay, so then there is another way, special channel of admission. Okay, for special degree, that also we will come to know. Lateral entry examination. Okay, modes of undergraduate, that means BTech admissions. Okay, BTech admissions I am going to tell you. Modes of undergraduate. First of all, if you are done the Olympiad and KVPI, you are eligible for dual degree. That means right from the BTech to master degree. If you are a foreigner, you have the you are a foreigner, then you can apply for the DASA, single degree and dual degree programs for the abroad student. This is only for the abroad student. Now we are into the next topic, that is JEE main single degree program. Okay, this is the main criteria where you are going to get the admission. Okay, see, let us see. This is the why I am showing you directly, because there should not be any problem where you should approach. I will give you the link, don't worry. Okay, now let us see admissions through the JEE main score. Okay, so most of the students are thinking that they are going to get the admission in the JOSA counseling, but it is not required. Advanced examination recruitment is not this sign. Okay, you can directly get into admission based on the main score only. Okay, so what are the requirements to get admission into the IIT Hyderabad? C. They are offering BTech computers, BTech electronics and communication engineering. Okay, so how you should apply for the admission? Through this portal, not through the JOSA. Okay, JOSA is not eligible for giving the admission. Understood? First of all, reporting your percentile in JEE mains. Okay, first if you have the good percentage, then there will be definitely good chance of getting into admission. And minimum requirement is 60% in all the three subject PCM of the 12th class. Okay, so already it is application portal was opened, but the main problem here it is 30th September 2020. Okay, so when I give you the link, then you can apply through this link only, and fees they are collecting is 1500. Okay, so these are the three things you should have before going for the admission. First of all, JEE main criteria. Applicant must have appeared JEE main and total percentile in the exam is mandatory for applications to this mode of admission. That means there is no uh, minimum rank or minimum percentage, but if you have better percentile only, you will be getting admission, because the quality education. Okay, so candidates who attempt the JEE mains examination twice, January 2020 and July 2020, if you are appearing both of them, what they will take, best of the both attempts. Okay, so among ties there will be resolved by considering the first maths. If both are same, then they will check for the maths. If both are same in the maths, then they will check for the physics, then for the chemistry. Okay, and there is a wonderful chance for the girl student, that is diversity, gender diversity. Triple IT Hyderabad values diversity among the students population and strives for increasing the same. Therefore, institute is targeting at least 25% of students admitted in the JEE mode must be girls. That means 25% seats are reserved for the girls. So rest 75% also will be for girls. If suppose all 25% is reserved already admitted, then the remaining girls will be in the 75% category. Okay, and institute taking many efforts to improve gender diversity. In such efforts, it is making application fee voluntarily. Okay, rupees 500 to cover operating cost. That means minimum fee you have to pay 500, whereas other like boys and others they have to pay 1500. If you are a girl student, from here onwards you are getting the concession, 25% concession in the 25% seats are allotted to you. Not only 25% seats allotted, you are also getting the uh, concession in the fee. Others are paying 1500, you are paying 500. Okay, seat allotment. First of all, 100 seats are sanctioned for BTech in computers. Okay, only two courses they are offering, electronics and communication and computers. Okay, computers they have large number of seats, 100 and 60 seats in the electronics and communication. Okay, so out of them 75% for common includes boys and girls, 25% only for girls. Okay, while applicants are eligible for seats in common pool, only female applicants whose JEE main score is in top 1 percentile are eligible for diversity pool. If you are in the 1 percentile of top 1 percentile, okay, so a single rank list of all applicants is taken into consideration, any only single rank. Okay, so during seat allotment, diversity pool will be filled first. So that means after 25% seats are filled in diversity pool and still some girls are coming, they will be allotted seats in the common pool. Okay, so 100 seats, 75 in the common pool, 25 seats are in the diversity pool, and electronics communication 60 out of 60, 75%, that is 45 seats are in the common pool and 15 seats are in the diversity pool. Okay, so therefore girls are getting on a total separately 40 seats and some seats in the common pool of 120. Okay, so they are ready to give you the financial assistance, for that you have to apply here. Okay, and how they will be giving preference. Okay, so because you have to go, both courses are there, so you can give the order of preference. While giving the preference, what you should do, include only those programs in the branch preference list which you are seriously interested. Suppose you are interested only in computer science, if not at triple IT Hyderabad, you will go for somewhere else, then definitely select only computer science. Or if you are interested only for electronics and communication, select only. Okay, if you are ready to go for the any both of them, then you can select both of them. Okay, so because no sliding is permitted after the last round of allotment. Suppose you are getting the electronics and communication and you wanted sliding in the computer science, after that that sliding facility is not there in the triple IT. Okay, I hope all of you understood about the procedure, and go check with the links of the admission form and fees, everything I have explained. So check with the link, and please don't forget to share this link to the many of your friends, family and colleagues. Okay, you are going to help them a lot. See you, bye bye from Whichchem YouTube channel. And for any guidance of the chemistry, you can go through the advanced examination and board examination, MSET examination, everything is covered in the Whichchem. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. See you, bye bye. I hope all of you like this video. See you in the next videos about the JOSA counseling. And state-wise, in AP, what are the engineering colleges? In the Telangana, what are the engineering colleges? Statewide also I will try to cover, but I will understand the requirement only through the views. If I get more views means they wanted that information. If I get more like means my work is satisfactory. Okay. No likes, no views means people are not interested. They got a lot of other commitments. See you. Bye bye.